We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. Yeah, let's see what's in the cat lady box bag package situation. It's not a box. It still says it's a cat lady box, but it came with a big slice in it. So, like somebody cut it with a knife. I don't know why it's not a box. So instead of a t-shirt, we have a sweatshirt, dark green. This is Catterday. What do you think? That's pretty cute, isn't it? You like it, Zeus? Yeah, you wanna come see it? Yeah, your fur will show up on that really nice. It'll show up really nice. What do we got? Here's a toy. Paw Patch Farms. Property of Paw Patch Farms. Catnip. Scrappy Scarecrow. I didn't bring the knife this time because it wasn't in a box. Is this one good? Did they change the catnip back to good catnip? Oh, I think they must have. Ooh, they did. Look at that. This one is Cornelius Cobb. Oh, this is Cornelius. Zeus. Look, he's yellow just like you. You want that? There you go. Let's see what else is in here. Shop Cats of New York. Revised and expanded. Photography. Carefully curated collection featuring photographs of New York's iconic shop cats. Shop cats. And here's the card. Still generic. It's even more generic this time because it's black and white. But there's a Catterday Lounge Crew, the Scrappy Scarecrow catnip toy, Cornelius Cobb catnip toy, a sign that is bent because it's not in a box. Cat lady. That's pretty cute. I like that. And then there is a ring that is a cat silhouette ring. See the cat? It's pretty cute. And what else is in here? A big piece of paper. And a card. Black Cat's box. Sold out the past 7 of 8 years. That's the October one. Annual Black Cat box is one of our most popular boxes every year, and it's your next box. We can't wait to send this one to you. I like the Black Cat box too. So let's see. What does this say? Okay, so basically what they're saying is they shipped it in a bag this time because it kept the costs lower, and they would rather save money on packaging rather than the actual items inside the box. And that this month nothing was breakable or too large. So the boxes aren't gone forever, Vivian. You're going to get another box. They apologized about this. But every once in a while we're going to receive it in a bag instead of a box. But if there's something large or breakable, it will definitely come in a box. And shipping is still free. So that's kind of cool. It makes sense now. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want you to have those little things. That's not good for you. But let's look at your toys. Where's Cornelius Cobb? What did you do with Cornelius Cobb? You pushed him under something already? Did you see Cornelius Cobb? Hey. Hey. Here, see? Look. Here, go down there with it. Go get it. Go get it. Yeah. The scarecrow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's all spitty already. You got it all spitty. Yeah. That's a funny scarecrow. Zeus doesn't like it. Huh? How come Zeus doesn't like it? That's pretty hilarious, actually. Yeah. Oh, stinky, huh? Stinky catnip. Much better catnip this week, or this month. Yay! They fixed the catnip, Zeus. Zeusy! Oh, you guys are funny. Oh. We got Carl. There's a bunch in here. The orange brain cell. Here's Carl. I don't know what it is about Carl, but they like Carl the caterpillar. Here's a flip phone. Zeus, I think this might be your phone. It's orange. Might be your phone. Mm-hmm. Zeus says, "Don't play with my one brain cell." He doesn't like to share, does he, Vivian? You're gonna be a butthead about it? Yeah. She's up there. He just tries to be bossy. He's a bossy boy cat. She always outfoxes him though. Yeah, she does. She outfoxes you. Because you truly only have one brain cell. Did you break up the playtime again? Troublemaker. You're a troublemaker. Yeah, you're a troublemaker. Yeah. Yeah, you're a troublemaker. Look at those squishy feet. Look at those big squishy feet. Oh, Bibbs is taking off. Vivian is leaving. Because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. All of those, plus 10 others. So, it's a worthy cause. Your cats get something, you get something, and shelters get something. So, that's why we do it. Right, Zeus? Right? Okay. Can you say goodbye? Zeusy, can you say goodbye?